Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Lok Sabha resumes discussion on glorious journey of 75 years of Constitution of India. Three Congress MDCs withdrew support from the NPP-led Khasi Hills Democratic Forum ruling coalition in the KHADC. Nong Talang Government Secondary School celebrates Golden Jubilee. Foundation stone laid for the Rebhoi Bamboo Park at Mautnom Village. And Jaintia National Council launches the Safe Jaintia mission to enhance its service to the people of Jaintia. The news in detail. The Lok Sabha today resumed special discussion on the glorious journey of 75 years of the Constitution of India. Speaking during the discussion, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju lauded the contribution of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar in framing the Constitution. He said Prime Minister Narendra Modi is working with the mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas and Sabka Prayas in tune with the constitutional spirit. He said that the country ensured equal rights for everyone right after independence. He emphasized that there is no discrimination against minorities in the country and minorities in India are getting legal protection.
संविधान को जब बीते सालों में दुनिया का कई संविधानों का भी मैंने परखने का कोशिश किया है। जो माइनॉरिटी कमीशन यहाँ बनाया गया है उसका नाम है नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ माइनॉरिटीज एक्ट। मैंने चेक किया है किसी दूसरे राष्ट्र में ऐसा कमीशन अलग से नहीं बनाया गया है। हमारे देश में जितना माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीज है, चाहे वो मुस्लिम हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो, बौद्ध हो, पारसी हो, जैन हो, सबके लिए लीगल प्रोटेक्शन ही नहीं, उसके लिए एफर्मेटिव एक्शंस का जो प्रावधान है वो भी दूसरे देशों का तुलना में कई अधिक प्रावधान हमारे देश में रखा गया है।
The three Congress MDCs on Friday finally withdrew support from the NPP-led Khasi Hills Democratic Forum (KHDF) ruling coalition in the KHADC. The three Congress MDCs in the KHADC include Pinchngan NCM, who was the Deputy CEM, Ronnie V. Lingdo, who is also the sitting party MLA, and Victor Rani, who joined the Congress after leaving the NPP. However, this decision of the Congress will not have any impact on the ruling coalition, who still enjoys the support of the 17 MDCs in the House of 30. Talking to reporters at the Congress Bhavan, CM informed that as the parliamentary party leader of the party, he had handed over a letter to the council CEM, Pinya Singh CM, informing about the decision of the party to withdraw support from the ruling coalition.
Parliamentary party leader juga Congress Parliamentary Party ila address ya Bapak Singh bade juga juga KHDF Meghalaya ini hadir ba ke parti Rai banwerno ing jingkersan kumki dukot juga parti ibang aban pen ko ila dia parti ila ho bagi ila gubernur ya jingkerlang bat ka KHDF nadu mutaka janmit.
Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma emphasized the transformative power of education at the closing ceremony of Nong Talang Government Secondary School's Golden Jubilee celebration. The event was held yesterday and was attended by MLA Lakman Rimboy and Joint Director of School Education and Literacy APCM, among others. Sangma encouraged students to leverage natural intelligence and not rely solely on technology or artificial intelligence. He warned that AI poses a significant challenge and urged students and teachers to prepare children to excel in this landscape. The celebration honored 7 former SMC members, 3 former teachers and outstanding students.
The teachers of today must prepare our young children so that our natural intelligence are higher than the artificial intelligence, and the artificial intelligence, the artificial science must substantiate rather than substitute to the students of today.
The Reach Shillong Ministries observed an advanced Christmas program with children on Saturday to instill in them the spirit of peace, communal harmony. One of the staff of Reach Shillong Ministries, Neil C. Ezrani, informed that around 300 children took part in the Christmas carol who are from different localities of Shillong. The children moved around in a bus to spread Christmas cheer, starting from Police Bazaar to Meghalaya, to Umpling, Smith and back to Letgore. In a concerted effort to promote community cleanliness and well-being, the Norbar Shnong of Maudiang organized its annual cleanup drive today. The event saw the active participation of local residents. The cleanliness drive was officially launched by the MLA of Nongpo, Miralbons Im, who was accompanied by various dignitaries including MDC of Nongpo, Balajiet Rani, the headman of the village R. Wardri, among other community leaders. Speaking at the event, CM commended the leadership of Maudiang for their continued dedication to the cleanliness drive, a tradition that has been upheld by past leaders. He also stressed that the cleanliness drive should not be limited to an annual event, but should be regular practice to ensure a healthy, disease-free environment. Ribhoi district is set to witness the emergence of a landmark initiative with a foundation stone laid for the Ribhoi Bamboo Park, the first of its kind in Meghalaya. The project's inauguration at Mautanum was led by James P.K. Sangma, chairman of the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, marking a pivotal step towards sustainable development and innovation in the state. The event was attended by Umsning MLA Dr. Celestine Lingdo, MIDC Managing Director D.D. Nongmali, headman of Mautanum Village and others. Addressing the gathering, Sangma underscored the transformative potential of bamboo, often referred to as green gold.
Because I truly believe that this project has the potential and it will change the socio-economic landscape of this total area. The effort of the MIDC is today to promote circular industry, to promote the circular economy, and to promote sustainable industries.
The Khasi Students Union KSU Maushin Road Circle yesterday inaugurated a free computer coaching class and honored students who have excelled in various examinations through the Mat Shaprang Academy Award 2024. The program was held at the KSU Maushin Road Circle office in Mauthenkud, where around 31 students from the Maushin Road area were honored. On this occasion, Reuben Najar, the Assistant General Secretary of the KSU Central Body, was the chief guest, accompanied by John Fisher Nongsiang, the President, as the guest of honor, along with representatives from KSU West Khasi Hills, KSU Maushin Road Circle and others. The Jaintia National Council JNC launched the Save Jaintia mission to enhance its service to the people of Jaintia, particularly in the 7 Huts Jatbinrio Hinyotrep Hinyowasa region. The mission aims to address various critical issues affecting the Jaintia community. Addressing the media at Shillong Press Club, General Secretary of JNC Shri Wanchwa Suting said, to strengthen the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, improving its weaknesses and failures to better save the people of Jaintia. Furthermore, the JNC aims to preserve the Jaintia language, Panar, by inserting it into the Meghalaya State Anthem and the Meghalaya State Language Act.
Point number 1 is to strengthen the JHBC. When we turn towards JHBC, we see lots of weakness and failures in JHBC and its service that needs to be improved. As an organization that has the responsibility for the future of the kids, the youths and the people of 7 Huts, more importantly for the region India. So point number 2 is to include the Jaintia language now in the Meghalaya State Anthem and in Meghalaya State Language Act. The Jaintia language is a language that has spread out all over the state.
As the state celebrates various festivals this winter, the demand for female bouncers is on the rise. Breaking into a male-dominated profession, women like Jessica Sones and Larry Malki are proving that they can be just as tough and effective. Sones, a 6-year veteran bouncer, credits her training from June Star Karbuli for her success. She said that having a female bouncer ensures the safety and security of female attendees at events, whereas Larry Malki, who has been a bouncer for nearly a year, emphasized the importance of sensitivity in handling situations. These female bouncers are paving the way for others to join the profession, promoting a safer and more inclusive environment for all.
First, when I saw the bouncers everywhere, when I go to some events and all, then by myself only, I wanted to become. I saw that their job, they are doing great, and their job is so respectable, and so I said, why don't I join them? So I went and joined. Wala, jangan mentasis nami. Kajisno kajonga kalong ba kay kabangin ay man siem lang ya barok haki bat kantay bat chanrang mo na kalong kum ka safety na mantaki pat ba.
And now the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature was 13 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 21 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 69%. Forecast in Tura, dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 5.5 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 17.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 59% and the forecast in Shillong, dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Meanwhile, in Jawai, the minimum temperature was 6.1 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 49% and its forecast is dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Lok Sabha resumes discussion on glorious journey of 75 years of Constitution of India. 3 Congress MDCs withdrew support from the NPP-led Khasi Hills Democratic Forum ruling coalition in the KHADC. Nongtalang Government Secondary School celebrates Golden Jubilee. Foundation stone laid for the Reboy Bamboo Park at Maltanome Village. And Jaintia National Council launches the Safe Jaintia mission to enhance its service to the people of Jaintia. And that's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.